Hey guys, so um, I want to say big thank you to Bluwave because it actually helped get these. Won a little contest over at his channel. The link for him is in the description. Go check his channel out. He's a cool guy. But they're little USB. They're called sometimes called fairy lights. They're string lights. There's two of them in here. It's 50-foot roll. They're powered off a USB, which means because I plan on getting like a small jackery. They have USB outlets on it too, and it won't draw that much power, but it's going to be really bright. So we'll get in here and I'll install it, or not install it. We're going to put them up with some tape temporarily because tomorrow on Monday, tune in guys, it's going to be live. I'm going to do like almost like a radio show. So let's put these lights up and we'll figure it out from there. Let me start by saying, guys, that this is not a permanent installation because I have, insulation stuff to put up here. I'm probably going to put reflectix up here up top just for now, and maybe just glue it to here, but allow the air to circulate back behind here so that it can still get air in and out and have airflow. So I also got this one off of Amazon, and I'll probably put the links in the description for you guys. But this is USB, or not yet, it's like car cigarette lighter to USB, and it's all metal. And the reason I got all metal is because, oh sweet, I got all metal because the plastic ones, especially when I've been driving over the road, they've broken. So I'm gonna maybe like I'll do a time lapse or something of me doing the lights. How about that? All right, guys, got them installed, so you can see. And there's a remote with this too. So I can sit back and it's got 8 different modes. So I'll be able to sit back and turn them on and off. So there's the first mode. Second mode. Third mode. Fourth mode. Fifth mode. Sixth mode. Seventh mode. And straight solid on. So, like I said, it doesn't take much voltage. And this, especially when it's dark outside, it's going to be plenty bright in here. There's also a dimmer on it to go lighter or darker. There's the on off, but also there's a timer on here, and the timer will keep them on for 6 hours on and 18 hours off. So let's say you're going somewhere and you're not going to be there. You could set your timer so it comes on. You could hit the timer on it and have them turn on when you're away from your car. Maybe people think somebody in there. So anyway, there's the lights, guys. The link's down there in the description. Yeah, and we'll put a sticker on. Pretty cool, huh? All right, today's sticker is the Northwoods RV Life. Yeah, we're gonna stick them up here on stand. The link is in the description below. All right, guys, here we go. Get you, like I said, right in that corner right there. There we go. Look at this. Look at this. We used to have none. Oh, the corners are getting full. Who do you think is gonna be the next 2 corners? We'll see. We'll see. If you're interested in swapping, I still have some stickers left. I'll probably be getting more soon, so send me an email. There, guys.